Hi everyone. Today we're building an arbitrage strategy on Polybot AutoTrader. Simple idea, real edge. Let's get into it. Here's the logic. On every Polymarket up and down market, the up and down outcomes add up to $1 at resolution. One side wins, the other loses. So if I can buy both sides under 50 cents each, my total cost is under $1. And one of them is guaranteed to pay me $1 back. In this example, I'm buying Solana up at 45 cents and Solana down at 45 cents. Total cost, 90 cents. Guaranteed payout at resolution, $1. That's a 10-cent profit on every market cycle, no matter which side wins. Let me show you the setup. Open Polybot, hit AutoTrader, and create a new strategy. Step 1, name it. I'm calling this one SOLARB. Step 2, market time frame. I'm going with 5 minutes. The strategy can work on all market time frames. Step 3, asset. I'm picking Solana. Step 4, this is where the strategy comes together. I'm adding 2 separate entry rules. First entry rule, buy up at 45 cents. Trigger type price hit, so it executes when the price crosses 45 from either direction. Amount, $5. Second entry rule, buy down at 45 cents. Same trigger type, price hit. Same amount, $5. No take profit, no stop loss. The market resolves itself, that's the exit. Step 5, entry window. Leaving it as any time so the strategy can fire whenever the conditions hit. Step 6, slippage. 5% you can choose more if you want to be on the safe side. Step 7, review. One last thing I'm changing here. Execution mode. I'm setting it to once, which means the strategy fires one time per market and stops. So it buys one up entry and one down entry per market, then waits for the next one. Confirm. Strategy live. Now, every time Solana up and down market trades on 45 on both sides, Polybot fills both entries automatically. One side wins, one loses, and the spread is the profit. This setup only works because Polybot executes the moment your price target hits. Trying to catch the trade manually is almost impossible, as by the time you'd open Polymarket, the price has already moved. Link in the description to copy the strategy in one click.